Christmas at our home has a special birthday as well, and that involves one special dessert. I feel Christmas and creme brulees are a match made in heaven. You can get a little experimentative by adding a quirky cocktail into a creme brulee mix and having quite a star-stunner. There are years that I've done a whiskey sour creme brulee or a Manhattan creme brulee. However, today I'm going to get off the beaten track and create an orange liqueured creme brulee. The pronounced sharp flavor that orange liqueur and the rind bring to this is by far unique and something so exciting to have for Christmas. Let's get to creating it. While this creme brulee has a citric element in the orange liqueur and the rind, you can't have it done hot. However, it gets done so fast in the oven that you can start your hot water on one side and get to creating the emulsion on the other. So here I've got 24 egg yolks because I'm creating a large batch for the party, and we're just going to get to whisking this along with about 100 grams of superfine caster sugar. So get that in and just whisk the two together. As the sugar emulsifies into the egg yolk emulsion, in goes the rind of one orange that we've grated. Just allow it to infuse and give it its sharp oils and aroma. And about 125 mils of some orange liqueur. Go a little tipsy because it's a Christmas party after all, and it requires a little more. Just allow all this to emulsify really well. And all you need to do is add about 2 liters of cream into this entire emulsion. So here I've got the cream already ready, and I'm just going to pour it in and just emulsify the whole mix together. This gets done even before your water starts boiling, and now the water is boiling for a water bath which goes into the tray. With this well emulsified and strong sharp aromas of the orange liqueur wafting through my entire kitchen, all I'm going to do now is put it into a bowl and allow it to bake in the oven. With the creme brulee on a tray in the oven, it needs a water bath, so in goes boiling hot water into the water bath, and you have to be very careful how you hold this. So I prefer putting the tray in, putting my creme brulee pot in, and then just going right ahead with all that hot water into the jar. It ensures even baking and it's always perfect. Gently cover the entire creme brulee with a foil. You do not want it to burn or get anything on top, and just allow it to nestle on top. Cover this, allow it to bake at 160 degrees Celsius for just about 40 minutes till it's a little wobbly in the center. "40 minutes and the creme brulee is ready. It's got that perfect jiggle on top. I'm just going to gently maneuver it and settle it down. This jiggle is what defines a creme brulee. All you need to do is now chill it down, and preferably tomorrow take it out and just put some sugar on top and flame torch it to give you that perfect crackle. This orange liqueured with the rind creme brulee is bursting with flavor, and when you start everything cold, it prevents the curdling that any citric fruit gets to cream. I hope you enjoyed creating this quick, easy, yet super tasty and efficient creme brulee. All you need to do is put some sugar on top, flame torch it to get that perfect crackle. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.